I'm going to sneeze. Achoo! Excuse me. Hello and welcome back. Today I have a Poundland haul for you, which I am very excited about because I haven't been to Poundland for ages. So it was really good getting into Poundland, having a good rake around and seeing what new things they have. And I've picked up quite a few things to show you today, so I'm going to get straight in and show you the things that I bought. So Poundland at the moment have in a lot of their summer things. So they have loads of outdoor things. They have things for like barbecuing and for eating outside. They have loads of kids toys for outside and also loads of things for like camping and things. So I've got quite a few of those type things to show you. The first thing is this gigantic bubble bottle. It says it's 1 litre of bubble mixture. I went for the pink bottle. They also had blue and green bottles. And we go through so much bubble mixture in the summertime, so I thought I would stock up and get a big bottle of that. The next thing I got is something for Elle to play with in the garden. It is a ribbon dancer. So you get your stick here with a little hole in the top, and then you've got a ribbon here, and the idea is, I think, that you attach it here and she can play around with the stick and have the ribbon sort of flowing in the wind and things, and it's just a fun thing to play with in the garden. You could make your own, but for £1 I thought I might as well just pick it up, and I think she'll have lots of fun with that. So something else for the girls for outdoor in the summer, I picked up this. It's like a copy of Sketch, which we used to play when we were younger. Sketch was like the brand one, and then you got loads of like copies of it. So this is like a copy one. The ball I thought was like a tennis ball, and it's not, it's like a squidgy ball, which if you've got younger kids is probably a better idea because it doesn't matter if it hits them because it's nice and soft. And you've got your 2 mitts here with the velcro on the back that they put their hand to and catch it. And Elle won't have seen this before. She's way to turn 4, but we've never had this before, so she'll really enjoy playing with this. Caitlin has had this before, but she'll enjoy having it again, and that's something fun we can play in the garden throughout the summer. So I also picked up this ground sheet. It says that it is 2 by 1 meters. Now in my head I was imagining it being a big square, but obviously if it's 2 by 1 meters it won't be a square, it'll be a rectangle. So we'll have to see how big this looks once it's out. It might not seem that big, but I picked this up because we are having an outdoor party for Elle's birthday. We're going to like a woodland and we're having a woodland theme party, so I wanted to get some ground sheets so that the kids can sit in the grass and can have like picnics and things, just in case it's a little bit damp. So I picked up this. I only got 1 to see what like it is, and if it's any good I'll go back and stock up in them. It says it has 6 eyelets. It's just a green colour, and then once it's down I would put like a picnic blanket on top, but it'll just save the picnic blanket getting wet. And then I picked up these tent pegs, so you get 10 in a pack, and they're just metal tent pegs. And I thought that would be really good because if there is a bit, if it's a bit windy, which it can be in Scotland, it'll keep the ground sheet down because I can pop it through the eyelets. So hopefully that is going to be suitable, but we'll give it a go. They're only £1 each, so £2 isn't bad, and we'll see how that goes. We'll definitely use it in the garden anyway. Next up, I picked up some of these chalkboard place names. They're like designed for being place settings at weddings and things. I picked these up a few Poundland hauls ago to do a video. It was organising solutions, and I used these as labels for like containers in my cupboard. I'll try and link that video so you can go and have a look if you don't know what I'm talking about. But I used these to label containers, and I really liked how they looked, so I stocked up on more of these. You get 4 in a pack for £1, and I'm going to use these for labelling containers again. So I got those. The next thing I picked up was these hair chalks. There's 6 in a pack. They have pink, purple, yellow, blue, green and orange. And Elle was playing with these at her cousin's house lately, and she really liked them, and she wanted some for herself, and her birthday's coming up. So I thought I'd pick these up for £1. You can't go wrong, and I think she would have fun with them. So I've picked them up to put in with her birthday parcel. This one's a bit boring, but it's something I always stock up on when I'm in Poundland. It is their magic sponge erasers. You get 2 in a pack for £1, but I'll show you what size they are. They're pretty big. They're about that size, and I just use scissors and cut them up, and I would make maybe like 3, sometimes even 6 out of them, and just have a little square if I'm only using it to clean a small area. So they last quite a while, and last time I was in I think I picked up like 3 packets, and I haven't needed to buy for ages, so I got another packet of those just to put in the stock cupboard. And the last thing I picked up was this basket. They've called it a hamper here. It was only £1, and it was in like the party section beside all like the celebration stuff. So all the birthday invitations, napkins, like the wedding stuff, all that. And I thought this was really good for £1 to get one of these baskets, because these can be really expensive in other shops. And around Christmas time, or even like for birthdays and things, I like to make up little hampers for people. So I thought this was ideal for £1 to be able to make up nice little gift hampers. This would be ideal for making up a hamper for teachers for the end of term, since it's coming up for that time. I might do a video on that. But yeah, I picked up one of these for £1, and I might actually go back and get more. So that is everything I got today in Poundland. I got quite a few things, and that only came to £9, so I had change from a tenner. Quite happy with the things that I got, and I'm really looking forward to trying out the garden things with the girls. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you'd like to see more Poundland hauls, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you get notifications of all my new videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!